So, you've got that annoying dry cough that just won't quit, huh? Whether it's from a lingering cold, allergies, or something else, it's frustrating. But before you rush to the pharmacy, what if I told you that you probably have everything you need right at home to soothe that throat and kick that cough to the curb? Yep, you heard me right. Today, I'm sharing 12 simple and natural home remedies that can help you feel better fast. Stick around, because these remedies are not only effective, but fun to try. First up, we've got the classic honey and lemon combo. Why? Well, honey is a natural cough suppressant, and lemon helps break down mucus. Mix a spoonful of honey with the juice of half a lemon in warm water and sip it slowly. It's soothing, tasty, and works wonders for your throat. Next is ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm a dry cough. Simply slice up some fresh ginger, steep it in hot water, and add a little honey to taste. It's like a warm hug for your throat. Now, let's talk about something super simple, but so effective. Steam inhalation. Boil some water, place it in a bowl, and inhale the steam. You can even add a few drops of eucalyptus oil for extra relief. It helps clear your airways and soothes that irritating cough. Here's an old-school remedy that works like magic. Saltwater gargles. Mix about half a teaspoon of salt in warm water, gargle for 30 seconds, and spit it out. It helps reduce inflammation and clear out any mucus that's causing the cough. Let's talk about turmeric milk, or golden milk. Turmeric has an amazing anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. Just mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into warm milk and sip it slowly. It's the ultimate throat healer. Next up, peppermint tea. The menthol in peppermint can help soothe the throat and relieve coughing. Plus, it's super refreshing. Just brew some fresh peppermint leaves or a tea bag and enjoy a cozy cup. Apple cider vinegar. Sounds weird, but trust me, it works. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and sip it slowly. The acidity helps break down mucus and reduce throat irritation. Who doesn't love a warm bowl of soup? But it's not just comfort food. Broth can help hydrate you and soothe a dry throat. Opt for chicken or vegetable broth. Sip it slowly, and your throat will thank you. Here's a little-known remedy: licorice root tea. It's been used for centuries to calm coughs and soothe sore throats. You can find it at most health stores, and it's super easy to brew. Let's get fancy with some thyme tea. Thyme has natural antibacterial properties that help ease coughing. Steep a few sprigs of fresh thyme in hot water and drink it once it's cooled down a bit. Sometimes, all you need is moisture in the air. If you're in a dry environment, a humidifier can help keep your throat from getting irritated. Plus, it's a great way to keep your skin hydrated too. And of course, never underestimate the power of rest and hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your throat moist, and getting some rest lets your body fight off whatever's causing the cough in the first place. So, there you have it. 12 simple, natural remedies to help you beat that dry cough. I hope one of these works for you and that you're feeling better in no time. If you've tried any of these or have a favorite remedy of your own, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.